Let me show you how you can enter and exit the recovery mode on OnePlus 15. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And we're gonna slide down in here to shut down the phone. You will feel a little vibration after a couple of seconds, which indicates that the phone is completely off. So at this point you want to use the power button and volume down button, and you want to hold these two buttons until you are in the recovery mode. So we're gonna keep holding these two buttons. You can see the OnePlus logo, but you still want to hold these two buttons. And there we go. And if we go to the recovery mode, first we have the language selection, and we can use, for example, volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. Or you should be able to just simply tap on the option on the screen, but in case you cannot use this screen, then of course you can use volume buttons to navigate, and then you confirm your choice by using the power button. In case you choose an incorrect language, then you can also go back over here and you can switch to the other one. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, what you need to do is simply choose reboot device, and then confirm that you want to do that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.